at her trying to fight with her brother. She's come out of a slouch to where she's really moving around a lot now.
Yeah, I think she's almost so little.
Oh no, we're Fiji. I think she probably got out there and been
Getting mad again.
Oh, it's hot. I don't like that hot shit.
It don't smell hot. It just tastes hot when you taste it.
You can put them on the floor.
Yeah, can do.